Hey guys, it's Johnny at Gator Harley-Davidson. We just finished this custom build 2020 Street Bob. Let me tell you some more about it. So this bike only has 287 miles on it and is under factory warranty until December of 2021. We got the front and rear fender, the chin spoiler, and the fairing all the way from Lithuania by a company called Kellerman Custom. We also got the seat custom stitched by Master Lugo, and the paint was done by Trick Concepts out of Inverness. We installed a set of 10-inch Chubby's Outlawz bars on it. We did the memory foam Avon hand grips, Willie G foot pegs, a side mount license plate bracket, and also Kellerman Atto tiny little turn signals that are super bright. This bike is priced at $22,995, and we'd love for you to come down and check it out in person. It's one of a kind. Happy holidays. Get it at Gator.